furnace is the heart of your HVAC system. So it's very important to keep it clean. And I always like to say the furnace is the heart of the HVAC system, and the vents and the branches and the runs are like the limbs, right? So if the furnace is the heart, you want to keep it as clean as possible. You want it to run as efficient as possible. That's why it's very important to have yearly maintenance, tune-ups, and cleaning done, just to ensure that your system's going to run at peak performance, at all times.